Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Al Nasuha. I am from Group 9 and my group ID number is ID 009. Uh, for the my topic is the conceptual framework on online learning and impact on student in education industry during COVID-19. In this topic, based the MSU College uh, my key presentation point is a title of research, issue, organization and sector background, research objective, researchers question, uh, hypothesis, population, unit of analysis, validity, and validity and reliability of the instrument. For the title, we reflect for the issue of the study, the variable of interest, and the organization of interest. Uh, the conceptual framework on online learning and impact of student in education industry based the MSU College. The specific issue is a detailed description of the specific problem to address. And second is provide further detail about the issue referred to on in the opening section or the background paragraph. And the introduction, this college is the historical established method in educational industry, MSU Holding Siam Berhad. The problem statement is the education industry in Malaysia is facing the closure of an industrial education center due to the outbreak of COVID-19, which poses a contemporary threat humanity. This refer the problem. It is because uh, because uh, this COVID-19 affect the student in online learning. For the organization and sector background, we select one organization of interest and elaborate its structure, product, industry, competitor service, offer, history, and financial situation. And it provide the context for the issue. Is there for every important reason relating to suitable for the theory. My research objective have three, divided by three research. First is to identify type of online learning is important to all students and lecturer at MSU Holding Sdn Bhd. The research two is to determine the impact on student at MSU Holding Sdn Bhd. Research objective three is to examine the relationship between online learning and the impact of student at MSU Sdn Bhd. Maybe we create the three research question. The first is what type of online learning practice as MSU Sdn Bhd. Research and second is what a nature of impact on student exists at MSU College. Research question three is there a relationship exists between online learning and the impact on student at MSU College. For the research hypothesis, we get the hypothesis that there is a positive and significant relationship between online learning and the impact on student at MSU College. After that, the theoretical framework. So for the independent variable is online learning, and dependent variable is impact on student. Independent variable is home learning, learning through Google, Meet, Zoom, and another app. Online discussion and presentation need internet access. And impact for the student is low internet access, difficult to understand the context, miss in listen, the external dispersion. This is about the problem for the student about because this effect for the COVID-19. And the research design is the research is utilizing Analysis is descriptive correlational research design. For the sampling frame, sample will be extracted from a list of company under the website of MSU College. So we get from the website MSU College. And for the population and sample, the population of the company extract as per website directory of MSU College. For the sample, has at least 5 years experience at online learning, at least 5 years experience on impact on student. For the unit analysis, as the interest of the research will be build on impact on student. So the unit of analysis will be organization. For the third is validity and reliability. Content validity is the indicate that it has high validity as the measurement of impact online learning on our student. We have three content. We have four content validity, face validity, test retest reliability, inter-item consistency. For the inter-item consistency is the Chrome batch of coefficient alpha we will use to the test reliability confidence value. Quality content is king. Thank you. This is from my group. Assalamualaikum.